Here is how to set up email signatures in HoneyBook, step by step. Begin by signing in to your HoneyBook account. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the Settings option and click it. This opens the area where your account preferences and communication options are managed. If you use HoneyBook regularly for client messages, this is where you can control how your emails appear when they go out. Inside Settings, find the section labeled My Account. Under that section, select Email Settings. This will take you to the part of HoneyBook where your email-related preferences are stored. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct section before moving on, since there may be several settings categories listed in the menu. When the Email Settings page opens, locate the Email Signature section. In that section, click Edit Email Signature. This opens the Signature Editor, where you can make changes to the text and layout that will appear at the bottom of your outgoing emails. If you already have a signature in place, the current version should be visible in the editor. Now enter your signature details or update the existing content. You can use the available formatting tools to adjust how the signature looks. Add the information you want included, such as your name, your company name, your contact information, and any links that should appear in the signature. If you want to include an image, such as a logo, add that here as well. Keep the content focused on the details you want recipients to see each time you send a message. As you make changes, pay attention to spacing, line breaks, and overall formatting. A signature can look different once it is placed into an email, so it is worth checking that each element is arranged the way you intend. If you are adding links or images, make sure they are placed in the correct position and that the signature still looks clean and readable. After the content is in place, review the full signature carefully. Look over the text, formatting, and any visual elements to make sure everything appears the way you want. This is the point to catch anything that looks out of place before the signature is saved. Once the review is complete, save your changes and close the editor. That applies the updated signature to your account, so HoneyBook can use it in future emails. Wait for the save to finish if the page takes a moment to update. To confirm the update, compose a new email in HoneyBook. When the message draft opens, check the bottom of the email to verify that your updated signature is included automatically. If it appears as expected, the setup is complete. Your HoneyBook email signature is now updated and automatically included in new emails.